BJP trains guns at Nana Patole, Maharashtra Congress chief, over his Ram Mandir remarks. BJP says Patole remark is an insult to tribals. Nana Patole had said Ram Mandir in Ayodhya would be purified. Modi acted against protocol in the Ram temple construction. Listen into what the BJP has said, retorting to what Nana Patole said earlier.
वो इतना निम्न स्तरीय और भर्त्सना योग्य बयान है कि उसकी जितनी निंदा की जाए कम है। महत्वपूर्ण बात यह है कि यह बयान उनका ठीक महामहिम राष्ट्रपति द्रौपदी मुर्मू जी के राम मंदिर में दर्शन करने के एक दिन बाद आया है। मैं कांग्रेस पार्टी और इंडी गठबंधन से पूछना चाहता हूं कि आप इस प्रकार से देश की प्रथम नागरिक और समस्त शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब समाज, आदिवासी समाज का इतना घोर अपमान करने पर क्यों आमादा है?
My colleague Milan will be joining us shortly on this, but that is the BJP's first reaction, saying Nana Patole's comments came just a day after President Draupadi Murmu had visited the Ram temple. This is an insult to the first citizen of the country, to the tribal community as well, from where she comes. Milan Sharma, my colleague, is now joining us for more on this. The BJP, of course, training guns at Nana Patole. It was a controversial comment that he made, that Ram Mandir would be purified if the Congress were to come to power. The BJP is saying this comes on a day after President Murmu visited the temple, and it's an insult to her.
Well, yes, Paulomi, as we were discussing earlier as well, there's been a string of comments that have come from the Congress, as well as, what the BJP alleges is the India Alliance member parties that are insulting to not just, communities, but also this time when, Nana Patole made this comment on Ram Janmabhoomi, especially after Honorable President Draupadi Murmu went and visited, the temple and paid her, prayed there. This has not been taken in a good light, of course, and the BJP there attacking Sudhanshu Trivedi, saying that this actually exposes the real colors of, the Congress party and how they actually treat or feel about, the Adivasi community and the SC/ST communities as well. On one side, they talk about, caste census and reservations, and on the other side, they exhibit such kind of statements which actually are contradictory to what they are trying to portray during their election rallies. And this is a separate statement that's come forward from Nana Patole, although we don't know whether the Congress is endorsing or distancing itself from it yet. But certainly BJP has taken this opportunity to attack the Congress on the same.
Milan, thank you for joining us with those details. Now, State of War 2024 intensifies. Congress Maharashtra chief's big claim has now triggered a row. Nana Patole on Friday said that Ayodhya's Ram Mandir will be purified if the India bloc wins. Patole claimed that Prime Minister Narendra Modi acted against protocol in the construction of the Ram temple, and that is why all four Shankaracharyas boycotted the Pran Pratishtha ceremony in January. Congress Maharashtra chief said that Shankaracharyas will purify the Ram Mandir. BJP was quick to hit back at the grand old party, saying that the Congress had insulted scheduled tribes and Adivasis. Slamming the Congress, Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis said that the Congress has no right to talk about the Pran Pratishtha after boycotting the ceremony and questioning Ram Lalla's existence in the Supreme Court.
Ram Mandiraचं आम्ही शुद्धीकरण करू. राम मंदिराचं आम्ही शुद्धीकरण करू, कारण की आमचे सनातन धर्माचे जे शंकराचार्य आहेत त्यांनी या विधीला त्यांचा विरोध आणि आमचे धार्मिक जे हिंदू धर्माचे जे आमचे जे श्रेष्ठ आहेत ते चारही शंकराचार्य या शंकराचार्यांच्या माध्यमातून त्याचं शुद्धीकरण केलं जाईल आणि या ठिकाणी राम दरबार उपस्थित केला. कारण की आता भगवान श्रीरामाचा दरबार नाही आहे इथं. छोट्या रूपामध्ये त्यांनी मांडलेलं आहे, पण ते जे ओरिजिनल मूर्ती जी आहे रामलल्लाची ती बाजूलाच आहे, नवीन आहे. तर त्याच्यामुळे आम्ही रामलल्लांचा दरबार पण सजवू त्या ठिकाणी आणि शंकराचार्यांच्या हाताने ते आमचे या धर्माचे जे प्रमुख आहेत त्यांच्या हाताने त्याचं शुद्धीकरण करू, कारण त्यांचंच म्हणणं आहे.
ये वो लोग हैं कांग्रेस पार्टी जिन्होंने भारत के सर्वोच्च न्यायालय में हलफनामा देकर भगवान राम के अस्तित्व को चैलेंज किया था। सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि कांग्रेस ने राम मंदिर के प्राण प्रतिष्ठा समारोह का बहिष्कार किया है। राम को नकारने वाले, मंदिर का बहिष्कार करने वाले, मैं ऐसा मानता हूं इनको कोई ये कहने का अधिकार नहीं है।
The Congress party knows nothing about faith, belief or cultural ethos. Nana Patole has always made ridiculous comments, and to say that the Ram Lala needs to be purified, first I would say the Congress party and its thought process needs to be purified, and only then should you comment on Ayodhya or the Ram Mandir.